Well, it's another beautiful day on the farm. We've got some odds and ends to take care of today. The square baler was really rusty this season. I don't know that it had ever been painted. So before it got stored for the winter, I decided I should just get a couple cans of red spray paint and give it a coat. I went to the local hardware store. They had International Harvester red. They did not have New Holland red. I figured it would be close enough, but as you'll see, it's not quite International Harvester, but it's gonna have to do. Anyway, after putting a couple of coats on it, I realized that I was having to paint over the logos, which I hated to do. So I ordered a new set of vinyl stickers, Hayliner 273, the decals. So now what I need to do is sand off the old decals, repaint those areas, and then put the new decals on. So that's what we're going to work on today. All right. So we got the baler pulled up here. As you can see, it's not really New Holland red, but I can get this paint at the local Ace hardware store, and I can't get New Holland. I can't get it in Ace or Rust-Oleum brand either, so this is just gonna have to do. Alright, now let's see if we can get some fresh paint on there in this windy day. We'll see how it goes. May turn out great. Kind of getting that rattle can striped look. can definitely see some stripes in it. But I guess it'll keep the rust off. Where else we got one? There's a Hayliner 273 we need to do. There's a big old New Holland back here we need to do. There's a New Holland there we need to do. And I think that'll cover it. So this side came out with the overspray. Whew. Tiny bubbles. Oh well, it is what it is. All right, let's do some final coats. Is this? I know, yeah. Yeah. Whoa! Hello, wind. Well, I guess while that's drying, we go check the cow's water. Sam. As y'all can tell, we're having quite a drought. We've been in stage 3 drought for several weeks. And I think the new report comes out today. I wouldn't be surprised if we go into stage 4. It was supposed to rain yesterday, more than 50% chance, but then it didn't. It's kind of been the way it goes. We're supposed to get more rain on Saturday or Sunday, but right now we're, I don't know, 7 or 8 inches below normal, so it would take a whole lot of rain for us to catch up. Hello, boys. How you guys doing on water? About half? All right. My handy dandy watering machine is a old PTO shaft cover and a gas hot water heater chimney and an IBC tote. And that is a hot wire right there. It's not too hot. It's running off a solar panel, so it's only 1 joule. I think I checked it, it ran 7.5 kilovolts. It's about half of what our regular fence charger runs at. But I'm not saying it feels good to touch it, but I'm not scared of it. The fence charger that comes off the house, off the 110 circuit, I'm scared of it. It shocked me about 3 times, and I hope it never shocks me again. Okay, you guys got water now. I gave them a little bit of hay yesterday just to see how hungry they were. I don't know if they even ate half of it. They mostly smeared it around. But I caught them eating last year's hay. There's a bale over there, like half a round bale from last year. It sat out here all summer rotting, and I caught them eating it. So I thought maybe I'd try to put out some fresh hay, but I think maybe they were just eating it because it's fermenting. They seem to like that kind of stuff. These wood chip piles over here, I caught them eating them one time, and I asked a friend who knows a lot about cattle, why would they be eating wood chips? Is that some deficiency? And he said, no, it's because they're fermenting. They do have a feed trough. I've been supplementing them since we went into stage 3 drought. The pasture is just down to nothing. I mean, you can just see here, it's down to nothing. What you see over there that's green is actually sedge that they won't eat anyway. Mostly what you see is brown. It's been like this for a long time, so I've got 2 more pastures to move them through before I can put them on hay, and I'm just trying to stretch them out as long as I can. I need to get them to November 5th before I put them on hay, but they're not very happy about it. I mean, they're not skinny or anything. I've seen in the surrounding properties, I've seen some cows that were in really bad shape, but these are steers, so I really need to keep them gaining weight all the time. I can't afford to let them get skinny. I need them to always be putting on weight. So I'm just doing the best I can. I can't make it rain, and I can't make hay appear out of thin air either. There's no hay to buy right now. I bought everything I could and managed to get more than the guy initially agreed to sell me. And I baled everything in sight. I mean, I baled this field right here that's full of trees. I baled it, and I was happy to get it with square bales. I baled the last pasture I baled had a lot of broom sedge in it, but that's this hay right here. There's a lot of broom sedge in this hay, but I don't have a choice, you know. Even if they only eat half and push the rest aside, at least, you know, that's a lot. That's several days worth of hay right there. So we'll see how it goes. I got to get them all the way to the 1st or 2nd week of April on nothing but hay. It's been a tough summer, but they don't look bad. They do complain a lot though. I just realized somebody didn't feed the chickens this morning. Might have been me. It's not usually my job, but I seem to remember telling somebody that I'd take care of it this morning. And I just noticed all their nesting boxes are still out, which means it didn't get taken care of. We give them corn and wheat, and we also give them a high protein hen feed that they really don't like as much as corn, but they need it for the protein. So a few weeks ago we started taking their nesting boxes out at night because they were always fighting at night. We decided maybe they were jockeying for, maybe they were fighting to get into those nesting boxes, and there were 8 hens and only 5 nesting boxes, so fights would ensue. So now every night we come out, we take all the nesting boxes out and drop them on the ground so they don't have anything to fight over. And it makes a really easy way to tell if they've been fed today, because if their nesting boxes are on the ground, it means nobody's been out here yet today. As you can see, they don't go hungry even when they're out of food. They've always got plenty in reserve. But if you don't put the nesting boxes in, pretty early in the morning, they have to find some other place to lay their eggs for the day. And that's always fun, trying to figure out where their special hidden spot is for the day. A lot of times it's under this door, or at least it has been lately. So let's take a look. Hey, score 2. Yesterday they had 5. We're down to 5 hens now. We had raccoons get 2 of them. And then we had one that died with no apparent cause, no marks, no evisceration, no signs of illness. Just came out one day and she was gone. She was dead. So anyway, we're down to 5 hens now. All right, let's get this project wrapped up for the day. Here's our decals. New Holland. I don't know that these actually match the old ones in font or color, but better than nothing. There we go. It's supposed to have a squeegee. Maybe I'll get a squeegee for the big ones, but I think for these little guys I can just use my thumb. Come on. Okay. Oh, so close. Good, good, all right. Looks better than the tiny paintbrush work I had done, that's for sure. Oh, man, it's better than the Baler. Okay, we'll do this next one the official way by the instructions, and we'll do this one the way that they tell us to in the instructions. They say we're supposed to use this tape to get it where we want it. The baler's on a little bit of a tilt. I think that's probably straight. Okay, and flip it up, peel the paper backing off. 2 hours later. Oh, wait. Oh, there it is. Okay. All right. Oh, I'm having a lot of faith in their method. Oh yeah, that was not how I would have chosen to do it. Oh, and now the letters are peeling off too. Oh, ouch. All right, it looks like everything's good except the H. And at this point, I don't think there's anything I can do about that. If I peel it from the lower corner. Come on, come Hey, 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 look at that. Success. All right. There we go. There we go. No, you stay there. You come loose. All right. Now we'll use our handy dandy squeegee / ruler. All right. Oh, I got a bubble right there. Actually, I think that's a glob in the paint. Huh. You know, this may be a junky old Baler. Oh, but that really makes me proud to see that like that. All right, all that's left is the big ones, which I'm kind of nervous about. Hey, there's kid footprints on this. Oh, my kids have been climbing on this. All right, should I use the masking tape method like they said? That did not work very well before. I think I'm just gonna go for it. Maybe I should do it this way. It's gonna be harder to keep it straight this way. That's the only thing. Oh, here I go. Bad decision right here. Like that. Oh, I don't know. That was pretty easy. It's crooked. Yep, definitely crooked. I don't think anybody will notice except us. Huh. Whoop. Ha ha! Decals is what I was more worried about. They've actually gone better than the paint. I say that, now watch this go all the... Nope, pretty good. Let's see, is it level? No, it's not. Oh well. should have taken some pictures of the baler before I started with any of this process, because I can tell you before I put any paint on it at all, it looked really rough. Whoa, come on. Whoa, come on. Let's try this corner. There we go. Oh, oh. I must be going too fast or getting sloppy or something. All right. This is the 1970 something New Holland square baler. Oops. Well, thanks guys for coming along on my little project today. It was a whole lot of work for a little bit of return, but it looks better. I'm sure the hay will work much better. I have much fewer busted bales. And the cows will definitely agree that it tastes better. Anyway, maybe we'll do this again sometime. See you guys later.